When you need a wheel washer system that's not only cost-effective, but also environmentally friendly, the professionals at Englo Inc. have you covered. These systems are perfect for mining, waste handling, and recycling facilities. Cleaning a truck as it exits is mandatory in some states, and having a wheel washer system at a facility makes you stand out as a good neighbor when compared to other sites. Having this system in place is essential to ensuring potentially hazardous or dangerous materials from work sites don't end up on the roads, allowing for safer drives and less harm to the environment. Englo is able to perform turnkey installation of these wash systems, along with training and service, all of which are nominal. These systems are fully automatic, allowing you to save on any labor costs that would be associated with manual cleaning. And you save on water costs by recycling. They are available in multiple sizes and can be installed as either mobile or permanent units. Don't delay in finding the best wheel washer system available from Englo today. Visit engloinc.com or call at 304-253-0777.